Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am making a short little video today because I want to share with you some very exciting news. I have a big announcement. I have a cookbook. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so excited. Yay! And this is the first cookbook that I have ever made. So as you can imagine, I am very excited. Now it is available on Amazon and I will give you the link to that in the description box below if you want to go check it out. Now I titled this book Family Favorites, and I did that because these recipes are seriously family favorites. Some of these recipes are things I have been making for years. Some of them have been passed down through generations. So this cookbook is a little special to me. And one thing that I really like about this cookbook is that each recipe has a picture. Personally, I love a cookbook with pictures, and so I wanted to offer that to you guys. I also want to say a big thank you to my sister and niece. They did a lot of work in this cookbook. I would have not been able to do it without them, so special thank you to them. And also I want to take a moment to just thank you guys. Whether you subscribe, like, leave me a comment, share any of my videos, all of that means so much to me, and I truly, truly appreciate all of your support. And if you've ordered a cookbook already, thank you, thank you. I really hope that you enjoy it. You can leave me a comment below, give me some feedback, and maybe even some ideas of a future cookbook. I've got some of the ideas swirling around in my mind already of a cookbook for the future. They do take some time and work to do, so it may be a little bit, but that's all I really wanted to say in this video, is just to announce that I've got a cookbook and I'm so excited, and go check it out.